strong team, strong players, strong coach, need a strong referee. Selamat malam. As you know, we don't have too much time preparation like Bali, because before season finish, we need to prepare the next season. And before season finish, the people told us that this match going to be on the 2nd or on the 3rd week of June. They not saw the rules on the FEC, and I promised to my boys that because we last season make long trips and was the team that make more games on home. Also, we make 3 for our matches on Pare, and we compete on FEC Cup and also on PL Resident. Our team interest. My boys are making individual training since 15 May, but unfortunately we just start on 1st June training. Some players arrive these days, are not 100% as we want, so Bali is favorite for tomorrow. Play at home without our supporters. I think football need to have supporters of own team and away team, but this is the rules, we must respect.
For tomorrow game, like the last season I'm here, every time before the first game of our season starts, every year I do the same drill. Bali always very dangerous team. I think I never win in the stadium against Bali. So last season we break a lot of negative records. So we're going to give everything tomorrow to break another one, and we're going to give everything, and then we will see how we're going to face the second match in Paraguay.
Besok ini kan full team, semua asing juga datang. Apakah besok semua akan diturunkan lawan Bali? Sementara Bali kan pemain asingnya 2 belum ada, akan bincang tanpa 2 pemain asing. Itu aja. Terima kasih.
Bali, I think we're going to start the game with 11, and we're going to start with 11. Local players have 2 hands and 2 arms and 2 legs, and foreign players the same. It's 11 against 11. But I want to speak also another team that we forget. I think in Indonesia you have population 280 million people. So I make a question: why always the same referee on important game on PC Makassar? This referee make tidak bagus performance Borneo PC Makassar Piala President, tidak bagus performance on Madura against the Makassar, the game that give the tackle to us. We won, but tidak bagus this referee. And the bonus of this referee make bad performance was last match that we were in Pare, the match that we received the trophy and make the party with our supporters, make the game, you not deserve. And I think there are many referees that deserve opportunity, because this referee, what I see, he wants to be the star of the game, and the star of the game must be the players. Because if you're going to see the mistakes that they make against PC Makassar, it's unbelievable that a referee made this important game. Because for us, okay, we don't have the best preparation, but for us, we feel this as an important game. So, an important game against a strong team like Bali, the last champion 2 times. Strong team, strong players, strong coach, need a strong referee. in my opinion. I don't have nothing against him, against this referee. I just analyze the matches that he made against us.
Sekarang ada Rizky Pelukuc yang dua musim terakhir ada di Bali United. Mungkin itu menjadi apakah menjadi sebuah keuntungan untuk PSM, dan juga di musim lalu Bali United tidak pernah menang melawan PSM. Apakah coach sudah sangat mengetahui karakteristik permainan Bali United sejak musim lalu, apalagi kan tidak banyak terjadi perubahan di sektor pemain di Bali United, terus menambah beberapa pemain termasuk dua pemain asing yang belum datang.
What we do on the past not going to help us tomorrow. So the history, forget. About Peru, a new player, already play on Makassar, is true, but now we play a different way that Rizky Pelukuc made before and they play there. About tomorrow, if you want my opinion, I think Bali is favorite because start the preparation first, have all the supporters here, and unfortunately we cannot bring our supporters. I think our supporters deserve to feel the atmosphere here, Bali, Makassar, because football is passion. And we are playing a important game without supporters in our side. And I believe that some supporters from Bali want to know how is Pare, to go to Pare, to enjoy the atmosphere on Pare. But okay, the people say that it's not allowed. I believe that Indonesia is not like North Korea. North Korea is not allowed also the supporters go there. I hope that tomorrow our team make a good game with good performance at least, and after we see because tomorrow is just the first half, the second half will be on Pare.